Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. We'd love to watch out for it. So, let's take a look at what we'll be expecting this week on GBP USD. So, guys, if you watched the analysis we did last week, you can go back to watch it. We talked about GBP USD giving us a sell, right? I told you guys that we will be selling for that last week, which it actually did. You can see we had that sell, which came to this our support level, and guess what? Market is now bouncing up from this our support level. So where we are heading next is straight to our resistance level. Now see it this way. See it this way. I've highlighted this key level. This is the resistance level here. Then what market did? It came to this our support level. Then market came to this our resistance level. You can see it here. Even though it broke out of it a bit, then we had this drop to this our support level. Now market has given us this bullish move to this our resistance level before we had this sell down to this our support level. So what you are seeing next is this buy to our resistance level. So basically we'll be expecting GBP USD to come to a level of 1.27820 or so. GBP USD will be giving us a bullish move. So once it gets to this level, I'm going to give you guys an update. Probably we might break out of it or a drop. But as at now, GBP USD is still ranging. So we would likely to see it range for some time. So our target or our bias on GBP USD is to this resistance level. So when you take a look at something like this is the higher highs here. Then here comes the higher lows. I think it is more visible on the 1 hour time frame. This is it. So this is the higher highs, and here comes the higher lows, right, for the upside. Then we had a new higher highs. You can see this took out this previous highs, and here comes the higher lows. We've seen a new higher highs here. You can see this new higher highs took out this previous highs, and here comes the higher lows. Now a new higher highs is currently forming. So we'll be expecting this movement to take out this previous higher highs. Then after that, expect an higher lows, then another higher highs. So basically, that's how it will play out till it comes to hit our resistance level. So our bias on GBP USD is the movement to this our resistance level. Then later, I'll give you guys some updates what will happen next.